Hey, boy. Come. Get in. Get in.
There's a reason we all need car insurance. And there's one more reason to choose Allianz. Allianz. It's the comprehensive car insurance that gives you roadside assistance after the first year at no extra cost. You'll be okay with Allianz.
Hey, did you see? Nobody's staring at us anymore. Aren't we still hot? Clearly. You know what? It's all because of that stupid butt down there.
Yeah, stupid butt. Gets all the attention now.
She's so tight now, so round, so pretty.
And so stupid.
Make your boobs jealous with a shoe proven to tone your butt up to 28% more and your hamstrings and calves up to 11% more than regular sneakers. Reebok Easy Tone with balance ball inspired technology. Better legs and a better butt with every step.
Here is the third-generation Toyota Prius. Its hybrid technology has been acclaimed as genius. Over here are Roxanne and Joe, first-time Prius owners. They love getting 50 miles per gallon because they love saving money. And with Prius having such low ownership costs, they can count on their Prius saving them thousands of dollars for many years to come. Toyota Prius, a very, very smart choice. Toyota, let's go play.
Hey.
Nee.
Kijk, als de aanvaller nou de bal krijgt tussen de keeper en de laatste man, wat is het dan?
Ja, buitenspel.
Dankjewel. Het is een man. Ja.